We know there are three main shot sizes: wide, medium, and close. Each category has its own specific shots, and each one of them has its own specific storytelling characteristic. In this lesson, we're going to explore establishing shots. To establish means to set up. When we are introducing a story to an audience, we need to establish where the story is taking place, when the story is set, who the story is about, and the mood or tone of the story. Wide shots are great for showing both place and the time and how a character interacts with that environment, which makes them perfect establishing shots. These shots establish for the audience a sense of the world that the story is unfolding in, which is why they are often used to open a scene and the entire film. In addition to showing the physical space that the story takes place in, establishing shots are often used to set a particular tone and mood for what the audience is about to see. They also show the passing of time, like we can see here in these scenes from Harry Potter. Establishing shots show the relationship between characters and the story world they exist in. Establishing scenes are often made up of combinations of these three wide shots. The extreme long shot. The extreme long shot is so far away we can only see the setting, not the characters. Filmmakers often begin with an extreme long shot to show us the world where the story is taking place. Giving us a bird's eye view as we fly towards the story world is an effective and popular way of making the audience feel as if they themselves are being brought into the story. Long shots. A long shot is filmed from a distance so the audience is able to see information about the setting, but it can also include full body shots of characters. There's still a lot of space around the character so the audience can see the setting. Long shots are good for showing how characters interact with their environment because we can see what the character is doing in the scene. Full body shots. In a full body shot, the character fills the frame from head to toe. The audience can still see the setting, but now we are placing greater emphasis on the character. Full shots can be used to feature multiple characters in a single shot. When we're establishing a story, we want to show the audience what everyday life in this setting looks like. This is important because as the story unfolds, life as our character knows it is about to be changed. Many films begin with an extreme wide view to establish setting, then some long shots to show everyday life, followed by a full body shot to establish who the story is going to be about. Let's go have a look at what establishing shots Daniel Klug used in his film Les Dangereux, and then we'll think about how we can use establishing shots in our projects.